If you're looking for pre-owned luxury, come on home to Payne Pre-Owned Harlingen for this pre-owned 2021 Audi Q5 Premium Plus. Oh yeah, this all-wheel drive model has a 2-liter underneath the hood, which means 28 miles per gallon highway, 19-inch alloy wheels wrapped in all-season tires. We've got wood inside, oh yes. Also, we have power driver and passenger seats that are heated. Check that out. Wireless phone charging, and it tucks away without being hurt right there in the console. Also, cup holders. We have our stereo controls here. Center console, shifter, connectivity, all of our climate controls, touch screen, 360-degree cameras for parking, full digital cockpit leather-wrapped steering wheel. This thing is comfy and it is awesome. Also, seating for 5, plenty of leg room. We have 12-volt power, charging only, and of course rear air. And we do have the fold-down armrest. And look at those fancy schmancy cup holders. Oh yes. In the back, the power lift gate is up. Don't forget, we do have a panoramic sunroof, and also we have our rails on top for all of our touring. Now check this out. Premium stereo, because there is a subwoofer there, and of course a spare tire and kit, and plenty of room for cargo. Second row goes down, and we've got plenty of room inside of our pre-owned 2021 Audi Q5 Premium Plus right here at Payne Pre-Owned Harlingen. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.